Yo, 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 what it do? It's your boy Al Woo with the shoe, and I'm bringing y'all some more content today. I wanted to go over those black cement 3s. Now, I know I got these in my hand, but tell me they're not that reminiscent. Cause boy, the leather quality on those is butter. And that's why I got this shoe in my hand. Cause I can't wait to try to get them. They are sweet, man. What do y'all think? Are y'all going for them? Cause I said I gotta get them after I had the green glow 3s and I did that review. I'm going to go after these black cement 3s. One of the original colorways, just like the Jordan 4. That retro 3 is slept on, man. I dropped those, what is it? Something with the craft, old school kind of white, look like the triple white 3s. Man, go get them. Then, like I said, those green glow 3s was just almost like a preview of what to expect with these black cement 3s. Look at the cuts, look at the leather grade. The quality is supreme. It's gonna be a full-size run, and they're not gonna be cracking over the head just like these Bred 4s, man. This is my girl's pair. I know it's a little small, but yes, me and my baby be stepping and we be repping. So if you like retros, I would say get the Retro 3 black cements. Look at them. They got a great quality of leather, and you can hang the hang tag on them and make them look even sweeter, man. Old school, that is the way to go. I like the way they bringing them back. I think that those, along with the Bred Reimagines and some other shoes that should have dropped, but they canceled a lot of them, would have made everybody go crazy. Them black metallic 5s. Bring us those, Jordan brand, you hear me? Bring me aboard. I'll be a great creative director. So those are golden, man. The black cement 3s is set to drop later this year. Coming out, man. Get ready, dude. I am thinking about grabbing them myself. Those are going to have the same leather quality, I'm predicting it now, as the Bred Reimagines. So tap in. Go check out my review for them green glows when they do drop. And check out all other long format videos I'm dropping. It's your boy Al Woo with the shoe. You see the wall of fame, you know our game. If you know somebody that's a sneakerhead, tell a friend to tell a friend. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button on the way out and the like button. Peace. Yo, hello? Yeah, you guys need some more shoe content. You guys need some more ideas with shoes and how you deal with them. All right, man, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, share. I know people are always gonna be calling. The shoes is calling. Listen, y'all like the content, subscribe, share it, man. Let's get this platform grown bigger than a giant. I mean, we need it like Goliath size big, guys. We on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get this video 100 likes. We got some sauce coming for y'all. Merch gonna be coming in. I'm telling y'all, tap in, and we're gonna show y'all how y'all get these on y'all feet. So subscribe, Al Woo with the shoe.